So guys, this is the new parts washerometer.
It works like that. Works with this pedal. When you say works with, oh wait.
Oh. Not a sponsored video. I've seen nothing. So that is the jet version. Now we've got to try the brush version.
I don't need the air's plugged in.
I don't think the air's plugged in, guys. Now we're going to try the brush version.
It leaks.
It doesn't leak. Now, Timmy, brush it. Smells like beef crisps. So this is a new machine that Safety Clean have given us to trial.
It's crap.
What do we think, Tim?
It's not good. It's not as good as the old new machine.
What are you saying, scrap?
Scrap it. Oh, the air's not on. Yeah, I've sussed that out now.